So notes for area and perimeter of a parallelograms. So you'll be able to calculate both perimeter and area of a parallelogram given the side lengths and or the altitude. So let's look at our formulas here. Remember, a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are also congruent, like similar to a rectangle. So the area for a parallelogram is the base times the height. The height is similar as in a triangle. It makes a 90-degree angle with one of the sides and then goes up to the other side. You can see height in a few different ways in these pictures. We'll see a couple of different ways. This is one. So here's the base and here's the height, and all we do is multiply those two quantities. The perimeter, like any other figure, is the distance around it. So you can see one of the sides we call a base, and there's two of them, so we got to add up those two sides, and that's why perimeter we have 2 times the base. The other length, the other side, I'm just calling the width. You could call it anything you wanted, but this is W and this is W, and you can see we have two widths similar to a rectangle. So the perimeter is 2 times the base plus 2 times the width. So let's see a first example, finding the area and the perimeter of a parallelogram. So we look at this one. We've got the base already down here and the height. So we can put those measurements in our answers. The base is 10 centimeters. The height is 4 centimeters. So the area is just the base times the height. A nice easy problem. 10 times 4, which is 40. One of the biggest mistakes is, mixing up the height and the length of this other side over here, whether you're doing perimeter or area. So make sure you're using the height and the base for the area. And similarly, make sure you're using the two sides, two different sides, for the perimeter. Don't use this height in your perimeter measure. That's one of the biggest mistakes that students make. So figured out our perimeter is 2 times this side plus 2 times this side over here, which is 8, not the height. So 2 times 10 plus 2 times 8, which equals 36 centimeters for the perimeter. So there's a basic problem. Now you're going to go ahead and we're going to get example 2 here before we get to a quick check. It looks like maybe I messed up on this, but so there is a quick check after this. So you're gonna stop this video here. I'm gonna end this video, and you're gonna click on the quick check link and try that problem. Do it on your paper and then enter in the answers for quick check 1. Good luck.